everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into one of the most easiest and most powerful tools that you can use in making your presentations more interactive, Menti, or also known as Mentimeter. So if you want your audience to actually participate instead of just staring at you in your presentations, then this tool is going to be your best buddy. Okay, first, what is Mentimeter? So Mentimeter is an interactive presentation platform that lets you create blind polls, quizzes, surveys, and even other engagement activities. As mentioned here, such as the word cloud, poll, open-ended, scales, ranking, and pin on image. So you're gonna let your audience join in with their phone or any gadget using through a link code or a QR code, and their response will actively appear instantly on your screen. Alright. So yes, everything is anonymous, which means you can get honest answers from your audiences. So before we talk about where you can use Menti, let's go through on its most popular features, the ones everyone loves. So word cloud. So this is perfect for brainstorming or gathering quick opinions. Responses from a cloud and the most common answers appear bigger. So this means that when you ask a prompt or questions, they will just answer with one word, and deliberately the Mentimeter will gather all of the answers, and the most answered, like the most common denominator of answer, will appear much bigger on your Mentimeter. Next is the poll, where it's like a multiple choice quick. It is a quick method for voting or checking the room's opinion or deciding on something together. Next is the open-ended question. So letting your audience just type the full answers, ideas, or feedback, and we will watch them answer it and see their opinions real time. Next is scales, to just use to measure the agreement, satisfaction, or levels from like rating 1 to 10. The next is the ranking, so people can rank items in order of preference. So it's most perfect for decision making and discussions in your presentations. And lastly, pin on images. So this is one of the coolest features actually, that it also allows your audience to drop a pin on an image. Like it is more ideal for like map activities, diagrams, seating plans, or identifying parts of the pictures. So where can you actually use this website, Mentimeter? So you can actually use Mentimeter pretty much anywhere you want in an engagement. Like for example, you can use it in your classrooms as a teacher for fun quizzes, interactive activities, and instant checks for understanding. You can also use it to relive in your company meetings, like to collect feedback, take votes, or gather tasks anonymously. You can also use this in workshops and trainings, like for icebreakers, group projects, group insights, and also interactive learning. You can also use this in during events or webinars, so you can allow your audience to join instantly from their phones. And for more on a audience and speaker interaction, you can also use this for research or your surveys. Like for example, you will collect real-time data with visual results. And also this is also used for team building and games. Like you will use the quizzes or polls to make the lessons or presentations more enjoyable. So, how does Menti work? You can also, like for example, add a import presentation, but however this, I think this is more on the had the pro plans of the pro version of the Menti app, Menti website. So we can just use this new Menti to either add a new quiz or a new survey. So but this time we'll just use a popular feature instead, like for example the word cloud. So we'll just pick one of the templates, like for example personal reflection prompt. So you can use Mentimeter, like as I mentioned earlier, to create a short activities or icebreakers. So for example, I have a like a short icebreaker for after Christmas break. Like for example, did you go during your Christmas break? Yan. Alright. And once you present it, you will be able to see the answers of your students real time. So for example, if I were to be the participant in this Mentimeter, I will just either click the link or scan the QR, and here, this will be just presented in their phones or in other gadgets like the laptop I'm using. So they can just enter any word that answers your prompt. So where did you go during your Christmas break? Let's say Baguio. Alright. And once your student answers, you will get their prompts. Let's add one more answer, shall we? Like for example, let's say Boracay. Another prompt will be added. Oh, you already respond. Let's try. But in other accounts or other students, their answers will fully add up in the screen, and if some students answer the question with the same answer, the answer prompt in your Mentimeter screen will be fully large, meaning that most people answered this specific type of answer. Alright. So you can also add Menti to your slides in your PowerPoint. You can also use Menti in your Zoom or Microsoft Teams. You can also import Google Slides, PowerPoint, or PDFs, and also upload your own slides into your Menti presentation. So if you really want to make your presentations more exciting and actually hear from your audience, Menti is one of the tools in online. It's definitely worth trying. It is simple, powerful, and honestly, it just makes any session so much better because of the speaker-audience interaction. That's it. Thanks for watching, and if this helped you, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and comment if you want a more full tutorial like how I will make my presentation with Menti. So, drop on some comments if you want to ask a question, and I'll answer it with my most as I can. Okay, that's it. See you in the next video. Bye bye.